Hello and welcome. Angela Kinsey here. We are back. Well, maybe you didn't know we were even gone. I'm going to share more about that shortly. So hang around for the big reveal. Let's stop and go straight to God's Word. I'm eager to share about the power of prayer. A great reminder that prayer changes everything. And that's the absolute truth. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. Philippians 4, verse 6. I absolutely love this verse. It's so easy to fall into the trap of worry. There's lots of things in life that might stress you out and make you begin to worry, right? However, today's Bible verse challenges us to do things differently. This is where it gets good. We are challenged to pray about things. Just speak to God. Tell Him what you need instead of wasting time on wondering what tomorrow holds, what you don't have. Let's focus on today and what we do have. This past week, Kerry and I traveled to the NRB, the National Religious Broadcasters Convention in Nashville, Tennessee. Watch this.
Thank you, Angela. Kerry Kinsey here asking, what would a trip through Atlanta be without a traffic jam for Angela and me? The American Transportation Research Institute says the ATL has 6 of the worst 20 bottlenecks in the whole country. I-75 in McDonough coming in, brrr, drum roll please, at number 13. What is the deal in McDonough? In McDonough, there's always a 15 to 30 minute or more break in the action. What is the deal? Nobody knows. Onto the Ridge Cut, where I-24 goes through a deep gap in Missionary Ridge before descending into Chattanooga. You know, I lived there twice and never knew the area was named for the early missionaries who made their way along the paths, climbing the ridge on their way to Brainerd Village, to the settlement of the Cherokee. There's our stopping point, the Gaylord Opryland Resort and Convention Center in Nashville. You know, I popped the question to Angela almost 8 years ago here. Good thing she didn't say no. Our cab driver is from Colombia. Tony's a Christian who says his friend was in a coma for 7 days with no response. Then prayers flooded in along with a miracle.
It was an accident. All of them, there was an accident, and they see Baba Carlos when they and like around 7 days no wake up, and after they see him they wake up and like they have nothing. They almost dying.
Really?
And the doctor finds there's nothing in the body and they go out.
Wow. The conference is a reunion of sorts with the man who saved me from almost being blind. Back in 2017, Dr. Ming Wang did cataract surgery on me. I was 2,500 in both eyes and couldn't even see my hand in front of me inches away from my face. One of the worst cases he's ever seen, he said. Sight is the true story of a poor Chinese immigrant who defies all odds to become a world-renowned eye surgeon in the U.S. Ming faces persecution and despair at every turn, but thanks to his determination, he finds his way to the U.S. and attends 2 prestigious universities. This one-time atheist puts his trust in Jesus Christ. He helps develop an innovative technology that restores sight in millions of people. He helps a blind orphan see for the first time in her life. He's done 55,000 operations, including 4,000 doctors. He did the eyes of Dolly Parton and Charlie Daniels. In a future program, we're going to show the incredible way in which we met this miracle worker. Making connections with people who also want to advance the kingdom is what NRB is all about. And we certainly did that. And we saw some old friends too. But our trip was a chance to see family again. Our sons are all grown up now. One is a sheriff's deputy on the K-9 unit, handling a dog who sniffs out drugs and explosives. And the other one is about to go to flight school. That's right up his alley, as he's got the mind of an engineer. We're so proud of them, including our daughter, who's a postal worker and homemaker in Michigan. Don't forget our 4 granddaughters, too, the love of our lives. Our trip is almost 800 miles, and it was a lot of fun, but there's nothing like home.
Wow, what a great time we had in Nashville. Prayers answered, doors opened, just a memorable time with our good friends and new friends. We even enjoyed a visit with family. Life gets busy, but please take time for your family. Your loved ones are so important, and they need you. Don't forget to like the show today. Share with your friends, everyone you know, and subscribe to our channel. Our address is on the screen, P.O. Box 6054, Jensen Beach, Florida 34957. Write us, send us your prayer requests, and partner with us at thekerrykinseyshow.com/give. Make a monthly commitment. We really need your help as we journey forward into what God has planned in 2024 and beyond. And the final and most appropriate thing to do is to thank God for all that He has done and is doing in and through this ministry to make Jesus known to the world. When you begin to thank Him, you take the focus off yourself and your problems and look to Jesus and all the good things you have been blessed with in your life today. Challenge yourself to not worry. Instead, go to God with the things that bother you and just be thankful, because in His time and in His way, all things, that means everything, will work together for the good of those who love God and are the called according to His purpose. And that's the absolute truth. Don't worry. That's right. Be happy. Looking forward to hearing from you. I'll see you next time. Go with Jesus and shine brightly for Him. And don't forget to pray. God bless.